it's Laura Laws and I'm back with another Sprout unboxing. It's been a while since I've done this. I am a huge fan of Sprout furniture. They make adjustable, beautiful, long-lasting children's furniture. And the most important part, I think, is that it's adjustable and it grows with your child for the most part. And the other cool thing is, like, you can pass it down because you can lay it flat and pass it down, even your children's children or someone else in the family. I am an affiliate. You can get 10% off anything on their site when you use code Laura Laws. So check them out. But I've been a huge fan of Sprout before I became an affiliate. I did an unboxing and a quick review, first impressions of their Learning Tower. And she was probably 16 months old. It was probably 2 years ago, yeah. So she is now almost 3.5 years old, and the Learning Tower is one of my favorite things I ever bought her. So what we got this time is an entry bench, I think they call it. I'm not sure what they call it. All right, so I thought this was the bench. This is not the bench. I wonder if the box is somewhere else. This is the higher legs for her table that she's had. So I guess I'll show you how I'm gonna do that. Hey guys, it's a couple days later. I don't know what I was thinking that a bench and legs could fit in here. It was just the legs. The bench arrived a couple days later. So let's open it up. Very typical of Sprout to saran wrap it. I love how there are no tools needed for this. So if you're not using this and you want to pass it down eventually, that's how much room it takes to store it. There are no instructions. Are there supposed to be instructions? So I think you put these two ends in first. Is it in? It's in, it's in, it's in. Okay. Ow, that hurts. Mallet. Kind of hurt my hand doing that. See how this won't close? There's like a huge gap. Okay guys, so I went on Sprout. They did not have a video, but they did have a section on their website for installation, like PDFs. So, yeah, you're supposed to start with this shelf first. I'm gonna see if that works. All right, this was a lot easier. I think we have a bench, guys. I think we have a bench. She's done. Woo! Let's put her in the mudroom. Took about, I would say, 25 minutes. So I was thinking we would put the socks in the basket and then the shoes on your shoe bench. And then I think the shoe bench, can you sit on it? Is the bench a little high for you right now?
No.
I think maybe what we'll do is keep the chair in here. And then Daddy needs to raise the mirror because it's a little too low for you now. And this was Daddy's chair when he was a baby. I think maybe we'll pick up some fall flowers next time we're at the store. Okay, so with the bench, I also ordered adjustable legs. So she has gotten tall for her table, so this is the third set of legs that I'm gonna put on. The other two set of legs I have put in storage so that if we either sell the table when she's outgrown it, which, I mean, it could be she's 10 years old. We either sell the table or pass down the table, it'll have all three sets of adjustable legs. So I'm gonna grab that from the basement and show you guys. Okay, here is Landon's table. I think it's 30 by 30. So like I said, there's a second set of legs here. It's gonna be a good amount taller. Here, slid really easily. This goes here. is always hard for me to do. Oh no. It says it looks like you've just taken a hard fall. I haven't, Apple Watch. There we go. Done! Woohoo! Here is the taller leg. So this is the tallest ones they offer, I think, right now. This is their stubby stool. This is her flip chair. So when she was youngest, it was there. Then the second one she's been using here. And so now it's there. I think that's tall enough. I don't think this is tall enough. It's about the same. I guess I could sit on it here. Because sometimes I'll sit here and we'll have a snack. You can do like a 360. Yeah. That's pretty good, right?